Yo, and welcome to Sodaia on multigaming help tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to use ULX menus. For a lot of people, they think that ULX is pretty complicated, even though it's not. Like, you can pretty much learn the ULX commands in, like, I would say 2 minutes, and you would know how it works. But the first thing you're going to do if you have ULX is to make a keybind. And the reason you make a keybind is you could go in chat if you have already installed the ULX. You can just go in and do menu, and you will have like ULX stuff. But that would be kind of like, thing about it. Imagine you needed to do that each time you needed to do anything inside of the map. It would be kind of exhausted. So the thing you're going to do is open up your console like this, and in this console you're going to do you're going to do bind, and then the key, like my key is for example dot, and you would do like bind dot ULX menu, and you don't need to do dot, you can do like H J U I O P and so on. And when you've done that and you click on that button you set as a bind, you will have the menu. And now you don't need to write exclamation point menu anymore. So the thing you're going to do now is you have like all these different tabs. Like some of these you don't have because we have some custom made things inside of the server, but this is like essentially the same concept as anything else. But you will have like chat commands. And the way it works is, let's say for example, it's categories, all of these. So let's say I want to kick someone. You could do it in chat, like kick, name, reason, But if you don't want to do that and do it through the menu, you can go into utilities, go into kicks, and then like kick the person you want to kick, and so on. That's pretty simple. And you like have different kind of commands you can use, like watch list. It will print like the watch list in the console if you have any. Yeah, of course there's none. But you'll have URL ban, voting system, vote ban, user management. So this is pretty much about the commands. Like you can just mess around with it, rock it. Haha, fun. Yeah. Like funny stuff, you can do a lot of things. So, the next we're going to talk about is groups. This is pretty useful if you are the owner or any kind of head staff or so, because you might need to create new groups if you and your team decide like we need a donator rank, or we need a I don't know, E2 expert or whatever. You guys can make it in groups. And the reason you have groups is to assign permissions to a specific group. So let's say that everyone in moderator group, they will have access to like kick and slay and ban. And the one in admin menu will have the same as moderator, but some more. And that's pretty much how groups works. So you can like collect people inside of a group, and they will have permissions on the server. So, the thing you're going to do if you want to create a new group is like, say, for example, I want to make a group called, there we go, manage groups. And you just do that by going here and there. And here you can make like new groups. Name, let's say, staff, I don't know, lol. So, let's say I want lol. And this is pretty much like inherits. So that means if you're going to do user, it's going to take all the permission there is in user and apply them on this lol group. Which means you will pretty much have the same as user. And operator, you'll have the same as operator. And admin, and subadmin, and donator, and so on. I'm not sure about this one yet, but I'll figure it out later. So, when you've done that, and let's say made a group, create new, and then you say I want to set the permission for this group because I don't want the same as the user. Well, you'll just go here, click on the name, manage permissions, and it's same concept. You can
Know what you mean?
I know what you mean. Okay, so here you can like add the permission it's allowed to have and so on. It's pretty useful. And then you have maps, like pretty self-explanatory. This is pretty much going to vote for the map. This is also vote for the map, but where you will have like a small text, a small forum here, where you can like press 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever. And then you have force map, which means you don't vote for it, you just like do it, like force them to change the map. Settings, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Bans, of course, the people that has been banned. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had to you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything, please let me know. Leave a comment in the description about your question. I will leave some contact information in the description as well, like for example our TeamSpeak website, yeah, etc. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask. I will be on TeamSpeak like most of the time, so just feel free to come on and ask your question. And just remember, there's no stupid questions. Like, even if you're noob and just like, how to open my fucking spawn menu, I would just be like, you press Q, bro. Like, relax, I'm going to tell you. No stupid questions. So, yeah, pretty much, get on, try it out, get ULX. Great, fantastic admin mod. Yeah, until next time.